Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check if your motherboard has a TPM chip for Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully running before proceeding to the next step, as this ensures all system components are properly initialized and ready to respond to your commands. Once your PC is ready, navigate to the Windows Start menu located within your taskbar. You'll find this icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it to open your Start menu. When the Start menu opens, you'll see a search bar at the bottom. Type in Run into this search bar, and the Run dialog box will appear. This utility is essential because it gives you direct access to various Windows system tools and features without needing to navigate through multiple menus. Now, in the Run dialog box that appears, type in tpm.msc. Make sure to enter it exactly as stated with the dot between TPM and MSC. After typing this command, hit Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Trusted Platform Module Management window, which is specifically designed to show you information about your TPM chip status and configuration. A Trusted Platform Module window will now appear on your screen. This window is crucial because it displays whether your motherboard has a TPM chip and if it's ready for Windows 11. Look carefully at the information displayed in this window. If you see a message that says compatible TPM cannot be found, then unfortunately your motherboard does not have a TPM chip ready for Windows 11. This means you'll need to either enable TPM in your BIOS settings if your motherboard supports it, or consider upgrading your hardware to meet Windows 11 requirements. However, if the window shows TPM information and version details, that's great news because it means your motherboard has the necessary TPM chip and is compatible with Windows 11's security requirements. And that's it. You've now confirmed whether your motherboard has the TPM chip needed for Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.